Welcome to my math class. I'm Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some very important question from Cambridge IGCSE, quadratic inequalities. Solve x square minus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. So at first we have to sketch this curve. We know that in x-axis y value equals to 0. So we have to write y equals to 0 and solve this. So x square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. We'll factorize x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Take x common, so x minus 4. Take 1 common, x minus 4 equals to 0. Then x minus 4, x plus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, we will get x equals to 4 and x equals to minus 1. So this curve is U-shaped because x square coefficient is positive. When x square coefficient is positive, curve will be U-shaped. When x square coefficient negative, curve will be cap-shaped. As here, x square coefficient is positive, definitely curve will be U-shaped and it will be passes to minus 1 and 4. So the x-axis crossing points are minus 1 and 4. What we want? We want x square minus 3x minus 4 greater than 0. You need to find the range of values of x for which this curve is positive. Greater than 0 means positive. Above the x-axis, which part of the curve lies, that one is positive. We have to find out for what values of x this curve is above the x-axis, that means positive. So this is when x value less than minus 1, curve is positive, that means greater than 0. So we have to write x less than minus 1. And when x value greater than 4, the curve is positive. So you have to write x less than minus 1 and x greater than 4. So this is work example 6. Now we'll try to understand another example. This is also very important example. 2x square less than equals to 15 minus x. So we have to rearrange 2x square plus x minus 15 less than equals to 0. So try to solve this. 2x square, we'll write y equals to this, 2x square plus x minus 15. In x-axis y value 0, so 0 equals to 2x square plus x minus 15. Now we have to factorize this. So we'll write here 2x square plus 6x minus 5x minus 15 equals to 0. Now take 2x common, so x plus 3. Take minus 5 common, so x plus 3 equals to 0. Now x plus 3 into 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, we'll get here x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 5 by 2. That means the curve passes through this curve passes through x-axis by x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 5 by 2. X equals to minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So here is the sketching. The curve is U-shaped. It is passes to minus 3 and 2.5. What do you want? We have to consider these things. Where curve is less than equals to 0, we have to find out the range of values of x. So from here to here, the curve is less than 0, that means below x-axis, So we have to write x greater than equals to minus 3, less than equals to 2.5. This is the answer for this. Because less than 0 means below the x-axis, this part lies when between x greater than equals to minus 3 and less than equals to 2.5. Now, exercise 2.4. These all are same maths, but that one is very important maths. Exercise 2.5, 2.4, like number 1 number maths, x plus 3 and x minus 4 greater than 0. So at first we try to solve this. We'll write here x plus 3 multiply x minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 4. Obviously, x multiply x is x square plus x square. We said that if plus x square, this curve will be U-shaped. And if it is minus x square, curve will be cap-shaped. So this curve definitely U-shaped. So it will be passes through minus 3 and 4. What we want? We want where the curve is greater than 0. That means above the x-axis. Above the x-axis, this part lies. This part lies. So set of values of x, x less than minus 3 and x greater than 4. So this much completed. Number G, now G number 2x plus 3 into x minus 5 less than 0. At first we try to solve this. We have to write here 2x plus 3 into x minus 5 equals to 0. Then we'll get here 2x plus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. Then x equals to minus 3 by 2 or x equals to 5. Obviously, this curve is U-shaped because x coefficient is positive. So minus 3 by 2 and 5, this curve will passes through x-axis. So this is U-shaped curve. What we want? Where the curve is less than 0, that means negative. The below the x-axis, this part is below the x-axis. So set of values of x where the curve is negative or below the x-axis is x less greater than minus 3 by 2 or less than 5. So I think everybody understand this maths. This is our very simple maths. You just try to understand what less than means, what greater than means. Definitely remember, less than 0 means below the x-axis and greater than 0 means above the x-axis. And you have to write down the set of values of x. So if you have still any confusion, you can contact with me. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.